Back again, YouTubers. Here we go. We're gonna go back out in this stuff again one more time. See what's up with this out here. Man, they causing for some bad stuff. It has blood my stuff everywhere. Look at this. Goodness gracious. Look, it's blood my stuff everywhere. Holy smokes. Stuff blood everywhere. Yeah, YouTubers. Man, this is something. Woo! This lightning, everything. Stop busting my window. Goodness gracious. Holy crap. Y'all hear that, man? It's rumbling, man. I'm bringing it to you live, though. Y'all want some live stuff? Here it is. I don't see nothing in there though. The wind's calmed down some. I think we're in the clear kind of now. Calming down a little bit. Y'all smash them likes, man. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell. And I'll be back. Thank y'all once again. Hope y'all enjoy the content. Leave a comment. Please keep coming back, man. I'm going to bring y'all some more stuff. I'm wanting to put this music out there, man. I ain't going to let it out till y'all get me these lights and stuff up, though. Keep it coming. I got some new talent coming, too. Thank y'all. Keep subscribing. Back again. Calming down a little bit. But, man, that was something else there. Pretty strong storm there. Y'all keep coming back, man. I'm going to try to get live so I can show this stuff live while it's going on. Keep hitting the thumbs up and the likes. Thank y'all once again. Come back and see me. Back again, YouTubers. Here we go. We're going to go back out in this stuff again one more time. See what's up with this out here. Man, they causing for some bad stuff. It has blood my stuff everywhere. Look at this. Goodness gracious. Look, blood my stuff everywhere. Holy smokes. Stuff blood everywhere. Yeah, you see. Man, this is something. Woo! It's lightning. Everything. Stop busting my window. Goodness gracious. Holy crap. out there, man. I ain't gonna let it out till y'all get to these lights and stuff up, though. Keep it coming. I got some new talent coming, too. Thank y'all.